Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today we're finding out what's wrong with my strawberries. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
As you can see here, this is the damage that I found on my strawberry plants today. So one side is completely brutally killed and the other is undamaged. Now, I know that it wasn't slug damage and I know it wasn't bird damage because I've got a bird net on and I've got my slug traps out, so there's no slugs and it's not characteristic of the slug damages. As you can see, most of the seeds are missing on the side and they're not ripe, they're semi-ripe, so they look a lot darker on camera than they do here. But once again, so I've spent the day thinking of how this damage can occur. Now, I grow my strawberries on wood chip and the side facing the wood chip has been greatly damaged. So initially I thought it was pests, but what's happened is where I've watered them and they've laid on the wood chip has rubbed away and cut the strawberries where they're soft. Now I'm going to make a strawberry support so that they no longer touch the wood chip. Okay, so for my strawberry problem, I've printed these from my 3D printer. So I'm going to pop these down in the description. They're really easy to print, if you have a 3D printer that is, or know someone who has. So what they do is you just pop them in to the soil like this, and then you pop the strawberries, it's a little bit deeper, and you pop the strawberries onto them like this, and then it won't let the strawberries touch the floor. And it's solved my strawberry issues. As you can see, there's no damage on any of the strawberries. So now all I have to do, as I've done here, is I've put all of these in there. You can see them because they're bright coloured, and none of the strawberries are touching the wood chip and none of them are getting damaged. So it's really great, and you can fit, as you can see here, you can fit up to 3 bunches on each prong. So one here, and one here. So it's actually the greatest idea because it takes up less room than the big plastic strawberry protection. So yeah, so that's how I solved my problems. Anything like this, you could make this easily out of, I don't know, bent wire or anything to get them up off the floor. And we've been having great strawberry harvests with none of the problems we had earlier last week. Alright, happy harvesting.